stay in Holistic was superb. It was just a day to stay in here, and it was on a tower base structure, and it looks amazing. And all the spaces we've been through the last one day, means the last evening, the night, and the today until lunch, all looks good, eco-friendly. You go to the waterfall, you spend I think more than 2 to 3 hours, and you see the exact entertainment there. And then you go to the farms, goats, birds, bees, and all you will see. These are all natural. You don't see anything artificial here. And then you go to the Buns Bridge, where you really enjoy that fun. And then later you go to the off-road with their own jeep, and you feel that off-roading experience. It's amazing. Even if it's for 10 minutes, it looks amazing. So overall, I can say it's 5 star. My recommendation is at least visit one time, then you feel the experience of this holistic resort.
നല്ല ഫുഡും നല്ല ആൾക്കാരും നല്ല സ്വഭാവം നല്ല റൂമുകൾ നമുക്ക് പോകുമ്പോൾ വിഷമാണ്. നല്ല ക്ലീനിങ്, നല്ല സന്തോഷമായി. നമുക്ക് നല്ല നല്ല ഫുഡാണ്. പറയാനൊന്നുമില്ല.
Upanda special words.
Everything
is amazing.
Beautiful resort.
Don't miss out.